Here I have TCL 10 Plus, and today I'm going to show you how to block number on this device. So first of all, you have to open your phone, and there are two methods to block number on this device. You can just select your contact, tap here, and then tap block numbers, and this contact will be blocked. And you can also tap here in the list of contacts, go to the phone settings, and here you have block numbers, and here you can add a number, any number. It don't have to be in your contacts list. You just enter it here, tap block, and the number is blocked. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.